Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Rock Polishers is probably one of the most fascinating tools for hobbyists and jewelry makers alike, transforming rough stones into gleaming, polished gems that capture the light and the imagination, offering a rewarding journey from raw material to finished masterpiece right in your own home. Number 5. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Hobby Edition. Transform ordinary rocks into dazzling gemstones with this easy-to-use kit. Its simple operation and durable design make polishing fun for everyone. Experience a tumbler designed for longevity with a durable motor and a leak-proof barrel. It's significantly quieter than other models, making it a great STEM activity. Everything you need is included to start polishing gemstones right away. This comprehensive kit comes with various grits, gemstones, and a learning guide. Enjoy simple, one-touch settings and an automatic shut-off timer for a hassle-free experience. Just set it and let it work its magic. From a Toy of the Year award winner, this kit encourages education and creativity. You'll also have a dedicated US support team for assistance. What we like. This one is perfect for young explorers and budding geologists. If you're looking for an engaging STEM activity that's also quiet and comes with everything you need to start, this is an excellent choice. It makes learning about rocks fun and accessible for kids and adults alike. What people say. The motor is powerful and runs smoothly, making the tumbling process efficient. The large capacity barrel allows for processing a significant amount of rocks at once. The included instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 4. KomeStone K1 Rock Tumbler. Discover the KomeStone K1, the top-ranked rock tumbler recognized by leading publications. It's trusted by thousands for its performance and reliability, making it perfect for hobbyists and families. Enjoy incredibly quiet tumbling with its soft rubber barrel that absorbs impact. You can use it in any room without disturbing anyone, making it ideal for homes and apartments. This tumbler features an easy-to-read LCD screen, a 9-day timer with auto shut-off, and a memory function. Simply set your cycle and let it run, even after a power interruption. Its large 2.5 lb capacity barrel allows you to polish more stones in each batch. It's perfect for hobbyists and collectors who want significant results with various types of stones. Everything you need to start tumbling is in the box. It includes the tumbler, barrel, rocks, polishing grits, media, and a detailed guidebook, making it a perfect gift. Achieve professional results with the included 4-stage grit system and ceramic media. The guidebook provides step-by-step instructions and pro tips for the best shine. Purchase with confidence thanks to a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Our US-based support team is available 24/7 for any issues. What we like. If you're a beginner or hobbyist who wants a reliable and quiet tumbler, this is a fantastic option. It's been highly rated by experts and offers a large capacity for polishing more rocks at once. You can set it and forget it, making it ideal for busy enthusiasts. What people say. The motor is powerful and runs smoothly, making the tumbling process efficient. The large capacity barrel allows for processing a good amount of rocks at once. It comes with a variety of grit sizes, which is great for achieving different levels of polish. Number 3. KomeStone K1 Pro Brushless Rock Tumbler. Introducing the KomeStone K1 Pro, the first rock tumbler to feature a revolutionary brushless motor. Experience quieter, smoother, and longer-lasting performance for all your polishing needs. Take control of your polishing with its smart LCD display, 9-day timer, and memory function. Its durable rubber barrel ensures noise reduction and longevity, perfect for serious hobbyists. This tumbler boasts a large 2.5 lb capacity, allowing you to polish more rocks in a single batch. Its advanced motor protects delicate materials while ensuring consistent, efficient polishing. Get started right away with the complete Pro Kit. It includes everything from rough rocks and polishing grits to a detailed guidebook, making your first polishing cycle a breeze. Achieve a stunning, gem-quality shine with our advanced 4-stage grit system and exclusive polishing techniques. Our guidebook provides the pro methods you need for exceptional results. Designed for hobbyists and collectors, it features a user-replaceable drive belt and a brushless motor for reliable, long-term performance. Enjoy peak performance year after year. Your purchase is protected by a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Our US-based customer service is ready to assist you 24/7 for a completely confident buying experience. What we like. For the serious collector or hobbyist who demands professional-grade results, this tumbler is the way to go. Its advanced brushless motor ensures longevity and quieter operation, perfect for extended polishing sessions. If you're looking for durability and top-tier performance, this is your best bet. What people say. This is a great tumbler for beginners. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. The motor is quiet and powerful, and it runs smoothly for long periods. The barrel is large enough to hold a good amount of rocks, and it's easy to clean. Number 2. KomeStone K2 Elite Professional Rock Tumbler Kit. Discover the joy of rock tumbling. This kit transforms rough rocks into smooth, polished gemstones, offering a fascinating lesson in patience and a source of inspiration for creative projects. Experience the difference with its cutting-edge brushless motor and noise reduction technology. It operates as quietly as a dishwasher, making it perfect for indoor use, even in shared spaces. The generously sized 3 pounds barrel allows you to polish a larger quantity of rocks in each batch. Its soft rubber barrels absorb impact for an ultra-quiet operation. This kit includes everything you need to get started, from the tumbler and barrel to polishing grits and a full-color instruction book. Achieve museum-quality shine with its science-backed 4-stage grit system. Enjoy peace of mind with our extended 90-day satisfaction guarantee and 1-year warranty. Our US-based customer service team is available 24/7 to ensure your complete satisfaction with hassle-free support. This professional rock tumbler is an ideal STEM gift for all ages. It provides an engaging and educational experience, making it a perfect present for rock collectors and aspiring jewelers alike. What we like. This tumbler is designed for those who prioritize minimal noise and maximum output. If you're sensitive to sound or have limited space, its ultra-quiet operation and extra-large barrel are major advantages. It's a great choice for anyone wanting to polish a lot of rocks without disturbance. What people say. It is a great tumbler for beginners, with a simple design and easy to use. The tumbler is quiet and runs smoothly, making it a pleasure to use. It comes with all the necessary accessories, including polishing media and grit, so you can start tumbling right away. Number 1. Tumble-Bee TB14 KIT Rock Tumbler. Discover the Tumble-Bee Rock Tumbler, a versatile rotary machine perfect for adults and kids. It's designed for polishing stones, rocks, metal, and sea glass, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. This rock polisher is built to last with rust-proof housing and a non-slip timing belt for smooth operation. It also features a thermal overload protector to ensure safety during use. Get everything you need in one package. This complete set includes a 4 pounds rubber barrel, polishing oil, an Allen wrench, and detailed instructions. It also comes with 2 grit polishing kits for comprehensive results. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, this tumbler offers a hands-on experience. It's a fantastic educational tool for kids interested in geology and science. Looking for a unique gift? This rock polisher is a practical and thoughtful present for anyone who enjoys collecting crystals, gemstones, or the hobby of tumbling. We've enhanced the classic rock tumbler design with improved technology for the 21st century. It's a modernized, safe, and reliable tumbler assembled and tested in the USA. Please note that this machine is designed for 115-volt electrical systems only. It is not intended for use in countries with 220-volt or 240-volt systems, even with a converter. What we like. If you need a robust tumbler that can handle larger batches and is built to last, this model is a solid contender. Its large barrel and durable, rust-proof housing make it suitable for both adults and kids. It's a great option for those who appreciate American-made quality and safety features. What people say. The motor is powerful and runs smoothly, making the tumbling process efficient. The large capacity barrel allows for processing multiple batches at once, saving time. The included instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.